Just 1 week after holding a news conference on a Parkland High School student facing assault charges.
Local law enforcement leaders called for a gathering of local media again today after a gun went off inside a student's backpack at Parkland High School in Winston-Salem yesterday. Shrapnel from that bullet hit another student's leg. Fox 8 Celeste Smith joins us now live in Winston-Salem. So Celeste, what are they saying about this time?
Well, today we heard from Forsyth County's district attorney, the sheriff, and Winston-Salem's police chief, and they all expressed their concerns surrounding students' behavior, their access to guns, and they also want metal detectors to be used every day district-wide.
We have a gun problem in America and a gun problem in our community.
On Tuesday, a gun went off inside Parkland High School. School officials say the weapon was never displayed, and no one was threatened. But during lunch, inside a student's book bag, the gun went off.
These incidents are real. These incidents affect lives.
The Parkland student allegedly responsible has been charged with having a weapon on educational property.
It is frustrating. I think we just need to stay the course with continuing to remind students of the dangers of weapons when they are not equipped to have access to weapons. And we need to, as a community, be all into that education. Do what we can in our communities to get guns out of the hands of youth.
During that press conference, the sheriff provided some numbers, which he says shows just how serious this problem is. Sheriff Kimbrough says since the start of the school year, 733 assaults have been reported district-wide. That number includes fights, simple assaults, aggravated assaults, and even sexual assaults. And 92 weapons have been found on school property. 70 knives, 14 other weapons like stun guns, brass knuckles, or pepper spray, and 3 handguns.
Unaddressed issues in the home spill out into the streets, into the schools, into the malls. We all have a role in this, and we absolutely have to step in.
Winston-Salem Forsyth County schools have metal detectors in every middle and high school in the district, but they are not used daily due to the cost and the manpower needed to operate them. They were not in use Tuesday at Parkland High School.
And the only thing you can put in place to deal with that is metal detectors and personnel, which calls funding.
And during Wednesday's press conference, the sheriff confirmed there was another disturbance at Parkland High School Wednesday morning, but declined to provide any specific details. The Forsyth County Sheriff's Office will have an increased presence at Parkland High School and extra security measures in place for the rest of the school year.
We're not going to tolerate nonsense at our schools. Line is drawn in the sand. We are united. We are going to do what we need to do to be sure that teachers feel safe, the students feel safe, and the parents, when they say goodbye to their kids in the morning, they feel safe.
Because the student at the center of the investigation is a minor, their name cannot be released. But for the student that was hit by the shrapnel in this incident, the district superintendent said that she spoke with her today and that she is doing well and that she did not go to school, but hopes she will return soon. Live in Winston-Salem, Celeste Smith, Fox 8 News.
All right, Celeste.